Hello everyone. Here I am to teach you a brand new dance choreographed by yours truly. I am very excited to bring it to you. It's called What the Truck? It's an easy beginner, 32 counts, 2 walls, 1 restart. Promise you, super sweet, super easy. The music is by one fantastic band right here from Ontario, Canada, the Reckless and Sasha. So let's get started. It's a lot of fun. Let's go. Okay, here we go. We're going to start with a step lock into an angle with the right. So you're going to step lock into an angle with the right. You're going to step lock with your left into an angle. So that's your first set. We're going to go back with a strut. You're going to strut back with the right, strut back with the left, and we're going to go into an open, open, close together. You see, sweet and simple. Here comes the next section. You're going to do a toe point right, toe point left, and we're going to do swivel with your heels going to your right. So up on the toes, the ball of your feet, twist together, twist together. And your last section, you're going to step forward with your right, pivot quarter to the left, stomp again or step forward with that right foot, and quarter turn again. Here you are on your second wall at 6 o'clock. We start the dance all over again. Step lock, step lock. We're going to strut back right, strut back left, open, open, hop together and hold. Point the right, point the left. I'm going to swivel those heels to the right twice. You step forward, hold, quarter left, step forward, hold, quarter left, and we start all over again. Wasn't that cool? Super sweet, super easy. Let's do it with a count. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, touch 4, 5, 6, 7, touch 8. Strut back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, hold 2, turn 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Strut back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open, open, 7 and 8. Point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. There you have it, guys. Now your restart is going to be at 6 o'clock. So you're going to do it after your 16 counts. So you're doing your step lock forward at 6 o'clock. As you strut back, you're going to do your open, open, close. Here is your restart all over again. All right. So I like to give you modifications because I love free dancing. You put your own swing, put your own style, do the move that makes you feel happier. So I have a couple of modifications for you. So when we do here our like open, open, hop, I got 2 modifications for you. You can easily, if you don't want to hop, you can just do open, open, close, and close. I'm good with that. You should be good with that as well. And the third option will be a rock, recover, and hold. So you'll go into 1, 2, 3, hold 4. And that also is a good way to do that step. So let's do both of them. So if I step lock forward, you strut back, open, open, hop. That's one. Next one. You got step lock. You're going to strut back. This time you're going to open, open, close, and close. Yay. And the last one, step lock. And back you're going to go into a strut, rock, recover, together, hold. And that is your modification for that section. Totally optional again. Please have fun. That's what I want you to have fun. And at the end, as we are driving a truck, I'm going to get you to change the gears so you can have some hand effect on that. So when we're doing the step forward, we want to gear on reverse as we turn quarter turn. So here it is. Stomp and turn, step and turn. 1, 2, and 3. And again, it's optional, guys. So please have fun. It's all about having fun. It's all about line dancing. I want to see your videos. Record yourself dancing. Show me your videos. Post it out there. Throw it out there. And then we can have some more fun together. Thank you. Have fun.